And it's now time for the business day. Jamaica has been removed from the European Union's list of high-risk third countries for anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing. The European Parliament on Wednesday supported a recommendation from the European Commission for both Jamaica and Barbados to come off the list. It also comes days after Prime Minister of Barbados, Mia Mottley, used the CARICOM Heads of Government meeting to urge the EU to review its stance. Reacting to the news, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness said this marked a significant step forward for both countries and the region. In a post on X, Dr. Holness said, quote, "We had been actively advocating for such a decision, one which reflects the reality of the hard work of the country that it has undertaken to strengthen its financial systems," end quote. Mr. Holness adds that it demonstrates the strength of Jamaica's partnership with the EU. Meanwhile, Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Kamina Johnson-Smith, also welcomed the development. In her special virtual address to the European Parliament, she thanked the EU for acknowledging Jamaica's efforts to strengthen its anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing systems. Last year, Jamaica was removed from the grey list of the Financial Action Task Force. Most categories of fuel will see increases effective tomorrow. Each litre of 87 gasoline and 90 will be increased by $2.94. Automotive diesel will go up by $4.50, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will also be increased by a similar amount. Kerosene will cost $3.06 more. The cost of propane will, however, decrease by 25 cents, while butane will also decrease by a similar amount. Each gas station will make adjustments to their prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. Lasco Financial Services has announced that Managing Director Jacinth Hall Tracy will step down from her role on December 31, 2025. The decision was made by mutual agreement with the Board of Directors. To ensure a smooth leadership transition, Mrs. Hall Tracy will jointly oversee operations with newly appointed General Manager Charlene Williams over the next 6 months. During this time, the company will begin its search for a permanent replacement. Hall Tracy has been praised for her invaluable service and leadership over the years. She has also agreed to remain available in a consulting and advisory capacity after her departure. Lasco Financial says it will keep stakeholders informed of further developments. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 1,910 points today, while the junior market index decreased by 16 points. The advances were led by Jamaica Public Service 7%, ISP Finance Services, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, Knutsford Express Services, and Salada Foods Jamaica. The losing stocks included Main Event Entertainment Group, Blue Power Group, MFS Capital Partners, QWI Investments, and The Lab. 19 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.06. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $118.96. The pound is going for $220.67, while the euro is selling for an average $188.31. And that's it for the Business Day. Regional and international stories are next.
The Business Day.